Okay, thank you very much for present your paper here. Now I will move to the next presenter, Mr. Arif Setiawan. Can you hear me, Mr. Arif?
Yes, Miss Moderator, you can hear me?
Yeah, okay, it's clear here. Well, thank you, Mr. Arif. Now is the time for you to present your presentation in this parallel session. Please, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Miss Moderator. Let me share my presentation now. You can see my presentation, Miss Moderator?
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
I can see it. Okay. This, okay, thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good
Um,
afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, all participants in this conference. Let me introduce myself. My name Arif Setiawan. This paper author is 5 people. There are Mr. Wiwit Agustianto, Mr. Aji Setiawan, Mr. Adi Wibowo, and Mr. Budi Wasito. We are from Diponegoro University. In this paper, I take theme underwater stream digital image segmentation using edge detection method on fog network. Main background, stream is one of component food is needed in almost all countries. Food security is basic need, especially for poor and developing countries. Image segmentation is the first step of a non-invasive monitoring method using image processing. Edge detection is one of the digital image segmentation method. Determining the edge of an object in a digital image is the earliest step of the object detection process. Fog computing is a part of the technology IoT. Fog computing is very helpful in data processing because the configuration of fog computing is closer to the object. Problem statement in this paper is a study to compare the accuracy of the stream digital image segmentation process using 5 edge detection method. This is a Kenny method, Sobel method, Prewitt method, Robert, and Laplacian of Gaussian. And the parameter validation using PSNR and MSE values. This study proposed a fog network technique in the computing process by taking data through an underwater camera connected to a fog server to provide real-time information service. The study was carried out using 5 digital images of underwater stream extracted from video data and implemented in 5 edge detection method. This is related work. Image segmentation is the process of partitioning a digital image into smaller segments. By Sun et al. 2016, edge detection is used in convolutional neural network to identify object template matching, extracting front and back edge, and calculating thickness according to regional pixel by Hu et al. 2021. The management of stream farming using smart system by Huang et al. 2018. The fog network is for fish farming using virus network by Buya et al. 2018. This is my research framework in the stream farming. This is stream, this is camera that connected by IoT infrastructure. This is fog server, and we make computation in this fog server. Research flowchart, the first step, we input data video, and from video, we grab the image. Video for about 6 minutes duration, we can get about 7,000 frame image. And this is frame image RGB. And then, so we process to grayscale image, and from grayscale image, we process using edge detection 5 method, Kenny, Sobel, private, robot, and log. And the validation we measure using peak signal noise ratio and mean sequence error. This is original frame image, stream frame image. And in this research, we just use 5 images. This is frame 140, the second is frame 850, the third is frame 1185, the fourth is frame 1950, and the last one is frame 6390. This is mask that we use in this computation. This is 5 masks from the edge detection model, Kenny, Sobel, Prewitt, Robert, and Laplacian of Gaussian. This is frame 850 using 5 methods. We can see the first image is grayscale image. The second is result from Kenny method. The third is result from Sobel method. The fourth is result from Prewitt method. And the fifth result from Robert's edge detection method. And this is the last one is Laplacian of Gaussian. This method we use in 5 images in this frame 1185. The next is frame 5950, and the last one in frame 6390. And the matrix evaluation, we can see that PSNR is peak signal noise ratio. We compare 5 methods, and this is the graph of PSNR value. And for error, we use mean square error from 5 methods, and we can see this graph from mean square error value. And the conclusion from this paper, in the study, there were 5 edge detection methods using Kenny, Sobel, Prewitt, Robert, and Laplacian of Gaussian. And it was found the Sobel method result in the lowest mean sequence error. This is 1404.01 in frame 150, and the Sobel method result in highest PSNR value. The value is 8.82 dB in frame 140. MSA value is the Sobel method can detect more edge in the image and can detect the weak edge point in the image. PSNR value in the Sobel method can detect the ratio of pixel in the image and noise that interacts with the image with a low value. And in this research, so the best performance is Sobel method. Future research, in the future, we want to implementation IoT infrastructure using fog cloud network to image stream under vector detection online and real time. Okay, thank you. That is my presentation, Ms. Moderator.
Thank you very much, Mr. Arif. Then I would like to invite for another presenter to ask the question to Mr. Arif. Do you have any question here? Okay, while we're waiting, Mr. Arif, maybe I would like to ask you, for the 5 method you have been used to make the digital image segmentation for underwater stream, which method do you think the best for?
I think from the research we can make result the Sobel method is the best method.
Okay, then maybe I'm a little bit curious. What for this underwater stream digital image for? What is the purpose to make a digital image of the underwater stream here?
This is our research for team in the stream farming, especially for our research is to develop infrastructure IoT for SIM farming in Central Java, especially in Jepara.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you very much for your information, Mr. Arif, and your presentation. I think because no one here asking the question, so it is the end for your presentation, and I will move to the next presenter. Thank you very much, Mr.
Thank you,
Arif.
Ms. Moderator.
Okay. Well, now I will move to the next paper entitled Image Encryption through Fibonacci Sequence, SBox, and Tan-Bessel Function. Written